So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix slow internet connection in your Samsung Galaxy A17. So guys, slow internet speed in your Samsung Galaxy improve your so if you want to improve it, so guys, first of all you simply restart your phone. By simple restart it close your unnecessary things and refresh your phone. Second thing is guys, you switch to the network mode. So guys, make sure when you selecting the network, so select it to the auto, because sometime first you go here, then connection, sim card, and here is your sim card. Okay, so switch to the network mode, select to the to auto, because if the network is not come like 5G, so maybe you're facing the issues. Another thing is guys, you clear the browser caches. So guys, make sure your browser is clear. So just first go to the internet, just long press on it, going to the app info. After that, going to the option of storage, and guys, here is the clear cache, so just click it and clear the caches. Another thing is guys, you disable the data saver mode. So guys, if you're using the data saver mode, so guys, please disable it. So currently I am not inserting any sim, so for this you simply wrong press on your data network, and here it shows your data, so you just check it. And the last thing is you reset your network. For resetting the network, simply open again settings, then connections, then guys go to the option of more settings. Sorry, just go back, then guys go more settings. Sorry, go to the general management first. Okay, then guys reset and simply reset all the settings. So these are the basic things that you can done to fix this issue.